Most people think that constipation is just uncomfortable and inconvenient, but chronic constipation after 40 is linked to toxic buildup in the colon, increased inflammation, weakened immune system, and in serious cases, much greater health risk that most people never connect back to their health. Long-term laxative use makes this worse because your bowel becomes dependent on chemical stimulation and loses its natural rhythm completely. These three ingredients drinks works differently. It hydrates the colon, it stimulates natural movement, and it lubricates the intestinal wall from the inside. Now let's go with the first one. Warm lemon water. When warm water hits your empty stomach, it triggers a reflux called the gastrocolic reflux. The same reflux that make many people feel the urge to use the bathroom shortly after their morning coffee. Warm water rises the temperature of your digestive tract, which helps soften any stew that has become hardened or compacted in the colon overnight. Warm water also dilates the blood vessel in the digestive system and improving circulation and muscular function in the intestinal walls. Now add fresh lemon juice and the effect compounds significantly. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which helps stimulate the production of stomach acid and digestive enzyme. It also stimulates bile production in the liver and gallbladder. Low bile output is one of the most overlooked causes of constipation, particularly in an older adult. The vitamin C in lemon acts as an osmotic agent, drawing water into the colon and softening stew, particularly when consumed on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. Get a glass of warm water. Squeeze in a fresh lemon juice inside it. Stir it and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach before eating anything else. The second one is extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil stimulates the production and release of bile from the gallbladder. Bile is your intestinal natural lubricant. When olive oil is consumed on an empty stomach, the gallbladder contracts and release a concentrated dose of bile into the small intestine, cutting the intestinal wall and stimulating the muscular contraction that move west through your colon. Olive oil contains a compound called oleic acid, a monounsaturated acid that directly stimulates the production of a hormone called motilin. Motilin is one of your gut's primary motility hormones. It tells your intestinal muscle to contract and push content forward. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil early in the morning has been shown in studies to be as effective as mineral oil, a commonly prescribed stool softener for chronic constipation, without any risk associated with long-term mineral oil use, including fat-soluble vitamins. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil directly into your warm lemon water. Stir it vigorously and drink it together immediately. The lemon juice helps the olive oil dispense more evenly and improve its palatability. If you have gallbladder disease, gallstones, or you have had your gallbladder removed, speak with your healthcare provider before consuming extra olive oil on an empty stomach. The third one is Psyllium Husk or chia seed. But let's start with Psyllium Husk. When Psyllium gel forms in your digestive tract, it does three things simultaneously. First, it absorbs water and dramatically increases the bulk and softness of stew, making it more easier for it to pass. The second one is that the gel lubricates the intestinal wall, reducing the friction and straining that makes constipation so painful and damaging. Third, it acts as a prebiotics, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your colon that produce short-chain fatty acid, compounds that directly stimulate colon muscle contraction and improve motility. Add 1 tablespoon of Psyllium Husk powder to your lemon warm water and olive oil mixture. Stir it immediately and drink it within 30 to 60 seconds. Follow it up with a glass of water. The second glass of water is not optional because psyllium can actually worsen constipation by creating a thick mass that is hard to move. The second one is chia seed. If psyllium husk is not available, chia seeds are excellent alternatives with a similar but slightly different benefit. Chia seed contains both soluble and insoluble fiber, a combination that addresses constipation from two angles simultaneously. The soluble fiber forms a gel that softens the stew and lubricates the colon. The insoluble fiber adds bulk and speed transit through the intestines. Chia seed also provide omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce intestinal inflammation. It also contains magnesium, a mineral that draws water into the colon and is one of the most effective remedies for constipation. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seed to your warm lemon water and olive oil. Stir it and drink it. For best result with chia seed, prepare the drink 5 to 10 minutes before drinking to allow the seed to begin absorbing liquid and forming their gel. Drink it with an additional cup of water. If your constipation is primarily hard, dry or difficult to pass stew, choose Psyllium Husk for its superior water absorption and stew softening effect. If you go days without any bowel movement, choose chia seed for their combined fiber and magnesium content that addresses gut motility more broadly. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water daily, not juice, not soda or coffee, just plain water. And after your early morning constipation drink, take 10 to 15 minutes of gentle work. Walking stimulates peristalsis. Use a footstool to create a more natural squatting position on the toilet. Consider magnesium glycinate before bed. It draws water into the colon osmotically and releases the intestinal mucus. Include a probiotic-rich food to support a healthy gut microbiome, e.g., plain kefir, natural yogurt with live culture, sauerkraut, kimchi, etc. These feed the beneficial gut bacteria that regulate bowel transit time. Avoid refined white flour products, e.g., white bread, white pasta, and white rice, because their fiber is removed and it moves through your digestive system slowly, contributing to constipation. Avoid dairy in large quantity, processed and packaged foods, insufficient water, and ignoring the urge. This is critically important when your body sends signal that it is time for bowel movement. Respond immediately, because ignoring or suppressing the urge weakens the rectal reflux over time, and it is a significant contributor to chronic constipation in older adults. Also, sitting for hours without movement slows gut motility. Your gut is the foundation of your health. When it works, everything works better. Take good care of it, starting from today. Now, I want to hear from you. How long have you been struggling with constipation? And have you tried any of these three ingredients? If this video helped you, watch this video up here on how to cure constipation naturally in 5 steps. I will link it up here and in the description below. Do well to click on it and share this video and subscribe for more health tips. And don't forget to click on the notification bell, because it helps you know when I upload another health video. And meeting me for the first time, I'm Oko Chinenye Harriet. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.